Hello guys, welcome to BCA Software. In this video, we are going to learn about variables. So what are variables? A variable is nothing that which has a name so that you can store something in it. Variables are one of the most basic and essential concepts in programming, which is used to store the values. For example, if I'm giving a favorite fruit and an apple, we can think of a variable named favorite fruit with the value. So the apple is stored in it. The reason of giving variable a name is to be able to use it later in a code and also to know what value it holds. So now how do we create a variable? Like variables can hold different type of data like whole numbers, decimal numbers or text. Now uses of variables. A variable is a name stored location in a computer's memory. It stores data that can change while a program is running. To store the data, variables keep information such as numbers, text, or value for later use. For example, so if I'm giving age is equal to 15, here age which stores the value of 15. Now, types of variables. As I told you, a variable is a named memory location which is used to store a data variables that can be classified based on where they are declared and how long they exist. First one will be local variable, declared inside a function, method, or a block, and it can also be used only within the function or a block, and it is created when a function started and destroyed when the function ends. Second one will be global variable, which declares outside all the functions so that it can be accessed by all the functions in the program, like subject to language rules, and it also exists throughout the program execution. Third one is instance variable, which is object-oriented programming. It declares inside a class using self. Each object has its own separate copy, and it also stores the data which is specific to an object. Fourth one is class variable, that is also object-oriented program, which declares inside the class but outside methods shared by all the objects of the class used by common data. Now let's summarize. A variable is a named memory location which is used to store data in a program. A value stored in a variable that can change during the program execution, which is why it is called variable. A variable makes a program flexible, efficient, and easy to understand. A variable has a unique name, it stores a value, it has a data type, and the value can be changed during the program execution. So these are all the characteristics of variables. What it is used for? It is used to store data for later use, perform mathematical calculations, and it stores user input, and it also helps in making decisions using conditional statements and control loops and flow program, and it also improve the readability and maintainability of the program. And we also learned about what are types of variables: local variable, global variable, instant variable, and class variable. For more videos, like, subscribe for BCS Software. Thank you all.